Hello, guys. Welcome to the session. Good to see all of you join in. 1 minute. Hello, good morning. How are you all? Welcome to the session, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Hi, Abhi, Kalash, Mrinal, Kavipriya, Shivam, Pallavi. Welcome to the session, guys. Good to see everyone. Anubhav, Shubham, Pranjal, Kshitij, Yogeshwari, Pallavi, Devanshi, Mehek, Sparsh, Samriddhi, Himanshu. Hello, Prabhav. Hello, guys. Hi, Janagam, Shrikant, welcome, Akanksha, everyone. Guys, welcome to the session. Good to see all of you join in. Hello. नहीं रोहित म्यूट नहीं आप एक बार रिफ्रेश करो. हेलो. यस प्रांजल आज आरसी होगा. आज हम लोग क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग टाइप आरसी भी करेंगे. पैरा बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी होगा, पीवाईक्यूज भी होगा एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मैथ्स प्रैक्टिस भी होगा. ओके, सो वी हैव अ वेरी एम्बिशियस एजेंडा. लेट्स सी कितना हम लोग इसको कर पाते हैं. ओके, come on everyone, let's get started. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. Hi, Himanshu, welcome. Acha, done. We will focus on it. 4 correct, 4 wrong. Okay, we'll see Anubhav. Chalo. Okay, let's get started, guys. Come on. Let me upload the file. Doing good. One minute. Let me upload the file, guys, and we'll get started. Hello, guys. Welcome to the session. Hi, Karan. Correct. Thank you, Pallavi. Okay, guys, let's get started. Come on. Hi, Anshu. Okay, let's start first with para-based questions, guys, and we'll slowly. Arey, Abhi, that's so great. Welcome to the session, and thank you, Himanshu. Okay, come on, guys, let's get started. Hopefully, you will have fun. And guys, Abhi, you're a Plus subscriber, so I also want you to join the Plus session, okay? Tomorrow, 12 o'clock. Right. Hi, Caroline. Come on, guys. First question on your screen. Chalo, let's try it out. Come on, everyone. Come on. Done. Come on, guys. Hi, Reena. Hello, Jyoti. Hello, Surajit. Yes, para jumble, guys. First question on your screen, para jumble. Yash, take a little bit of time, huh, Jyoti? PJ. It's not that easy. Okay, let's see the answers. Hi, Ayan, Kajal. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. I'm just writing down the options your friends are putting across. Good morning. Hi, Pasna. Guys, plus subscribers, don't type the answers. Everybody can see. Correct, Mrinal. Hi, Saurav. Okay, shall we poll? Waiting. Hi, Siddhant. Okay, a couple of you have asked me to wait. I'll just wait for another 30 seconds. 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, we'll start the poll now, guys. There are 5 options on your screen. Let's start. Hi, Mayakshi. Very good. Wonderful, guys. Okay, can I say that guys, ये एक जो para jumble है, which it can be arranged according to the like एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, like every sentence leads to the other. Every sentence leads to the other, right? Hello, Shubham ji. और इसमें क्या होता है? There are a lot of logical clues. You know, similar ideas है, तो उसको group कर सकते हैं. Okay, now for example, see this. See, guys, you have to focus on these language clues also. A killer disease. A is general, correct? A killer disease turns up out of the blue. It moves by stealth transmission, spreading before symptoms even show. Nahi, nahi, Shubham. Although this may sound remarkably like COVID-19, cannot be your opener. Once it takes hold, life will never be the same again. Why? To date, it is now in more than, it is now. So guys, can I say clearly our opening sentence will be one. A killer disease turns up, a general, a sort of a killer disease turns up out of the blue, spreading before symptoms even shows. Now, can I say ye it? This it is refers to the killer disease. The it refers to the killer disease. It is already too late to stop it. There is no cure. Now, if there is no cure, if it is too late to stop it, can I say life will never be the same again? I can say life will never be the same again. Okay, now life will never be the same again. Sound familiar? Sound. It may sound like COVID-19. Okay, it may sound like COVID-19. Okay, but I'm actually talking about a disease that affects bananas, which is called the Panama disease. Now, to date, it is now in more than 20 countries. This disease is now in more than 20 countries. And banana pandemic. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Yes, did you understand how one after the other sound familiar? Say, 4 or 2 link ho gaya, life will never be the same again because there's no cure for it. Okay, very good. Come on, let's go to the next one. Next question, guys. Come on. हाँ प्रांजल आते हैं, पिछले एग्जाम में नहीं आया था पर आते हैं, लाइक जनरली आते हैं, बट यू गेट ऑप्शंस. नो गाइस, पैरा जंबल. Inimitable, which cannot be imitated, which cannot be copied. Yes, yes, Jyoti, of course. Hi, Rohit. After 6, anytime after 6, because the last session that I have today is from 5 to 6. Come on, guys. Okay, so Jyoti, every omet has its characteristic RC type. I'll explain. After this question, I will explain. स्पर्श एक बार देखो वापस. हाय योगेश. हेलो सुष्मिता. Deluge is flood, like a flood of. Hi Rohit. Okay, let me write down your orders, guys. Okay, plus subscribers, you want to pitch in? What's your order? Come on. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, we have 5 options. Shall we start the poll? Yes? Come on, everyone. Okay, waiting. Done. Poll. Okay, come on. Hi, Ishan. Come on. Okay, guys, the answer is 32415. Okay, now let's understand this. Now, why did you guys go wrong? But it has also strained the region's scarce natural resources. Guys, there are a lot of language clues here. But it also, the region, okay, yet not many are aware of Bomgard near Dixit Sal, where all the garbage from Leh is dumped. Ladakh's most celebrated town, Leh. So, guys, can I say that 3 has to come before 2? 3 has to come before 2, guys. Okay, someone's here to say hi. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, guys. He just automatically sees the laptop now and he starts going like this, thinking that, he has to come and say hi and bye. Okay, guys, come on. Let's get started. Let's continue. Okay, but it also strained the region. Okay, there are 5 language clues. Yet, not many are aware of Bomgard near Dixit Sal, where all the garbage from Leh is dumped. Ladakh's most celebrated town, Leh, draws multitudes of visitors from across the country. So, guys, 3 has to come before 2. I'm not saying immediately before 2, but at least somewhere before 2. Draws multitudes of visitors from across the country and the world who are eager to experience its inimitable culture and breathtaking mountainous landscape. So, you know about the culture, you know about the mountainous landscape. This is popular. You have a lot of visitors who come here for this. Yet, can I say not many are aware of Dixit Sal, where all the garbage is dumped? This picture everybody knows, but the picture of the waste and because of the tourists and the visitors and the garbage that is created. So, will all of you understand? Did all of you understand the link between 3 and 2? Yes. Okay. Undeniably, the tourist boom has brought in increased revenue and created employment. But it has also strained the region's scarce natural resources. So guys, I can easily say कि 3-2 एक सबसेट हमारा बन गया, 4 and 1 भी एक सबसेट बन गया. Tourist boom रेवेन्यू लाया है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट लाया है, पर उसके साथ साथ it refers to the tourist boom. It has also strained the resources. Correct? Did all of you understand 3, 2, 4, 1? And you know that 3, 2 is the opening pair because of most celebrated town Leh. It gives the introduction about Leh. Okay. Now, guys, the only question is where to place 5. So, can I say that these are the 2 placements of 5 which we can, which we see here? Either 5 yahan aega, ya 5 yahan aega. Consumption patterns have changed. And this is most apparent in the deluge of packaged food. ये negative है, ठीक है? ये negative है, and it talks about consumption patterns have changed. Can I say this is another effect of the tourist boom? Can I say this is also another effect of the tourist boom? So, strain on natural resources, deluge of packaged food. टूरिस्ट बूम मतलब एकदम बहुत सारे आने लग गए हैं लद्दाख में. So there's a sudden rise in the number of tourists. Okay, so guys, answer option should be 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. Okay, wrong subsets. So Yogeshwari, that's why guys, आप जब भी CAT की preparation कर रहे हो, कभी भी with option solve ही मत करो, because you're going to spend 2-3 months solving it with options. And then, when the real deal comes in, you don't have that options. It's like it's very difficult for you to actually adjust. So starting say without options, that's why I never take you through options before also. So आप हमेशा without options ही try करो. Hi Kashvi. 3 and 4 are talking about tourist. Okay, so guys, so sorry, Shivam, we never link statements just because it has the word tourist in it. सारे statements tourist के बारे में ही है, क्योंकि इसमें टूरिस्ट है और उसमें टूरिस्ट है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप उन दोनों को साथ में लगा दो. Got it? The idea has to be there. And guys, ये ideas जो हमने ऐसे किया है, we've mainly done it because of but and yet. Now guys, if there are two contradictory words, can I say that there will be two sets of positive negative positive negative or negative positive negative positive? हाँ है ना, दो contradictory words है तो दो contradictions होंगे, है ना, दो contradictory words है तो दो contradictions होंगे. Correct. Now, can I say 3 and 4 are the two positive statements? 1 and 2 are the two negative statements? तो इनका तो हमको sets बनाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so I can clearly say 3 और 2 का एक subset होगा, एक contradiction, positive, negative, एक contradiction. और टूरिस्ट बूम पॉजिटिव, इट ये एक और कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन हो गया, 4 and 1 का कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन हो गया. अब ये सेंटेंस भी नेगेटिव है. This sentence is also negative. It has to come after a negative statement, right? तो यहाँ पर भी लगा सकते हैं 5, यहाँ पर भी लगा सकते हैं 5. But you have to tell me which sentence is it linked to. Consumption patterns have changed. Deluge of packaged food. Why have consumption patterns changed? Can I say these are all the effects of the tourist boom? So tourist boom के कारण region के natural resources पे भी strain आया है and packaged food. So that's why the order is 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. There are two contradictory words. There will be two contradictions. There will be two sets of positive and negative. नहीं नहीं ईशान, जिस दिन प्लस क्लास होती है ना उस दिन 11 o'clock पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो उस दिन 8 o'clock को होगा. So I'll kind of, because some of you have told me, ma'am, keep it at 8, we are working. Some of you have said that no, keep it in the morning, we have classes later, or stuff like that. So I've reached a compromise. On 3 days of the week we will have it in the morning, and on 3 days we will have it in the evening. Okay, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday को it'll be at 8 p.m. Tuesday, Thursday or Saturday, for sure, it'll be at 11 a.m. Okay, Sundays, I will keep you updated. Kalka, I'll keep you updated. Okay, right. So this is the schedule of how it works. Alternate days पे करेंगे. Okay, right. Come on, guys. Let's go to the next one. कहाँ पे है शुभम? Where did you see it? It means different in different contexts. It's basically a Christian tradition जहाँ पे बच्चों को religion में enlist और उनका नाम दिया जाता है. YouTube तो है शुभम. Hi सुशांत. Okay, 1 minute, guys. You want to try some PYQs? You want to try some PYQs, guys? Mixture of questions are there today. Let's see some PYQs. 1 minute. कुछ हम लोग कर चुके हैं. Yeah, try this out. अरे अभी don't worry, he'll focus on it. उसके basic classes आप मतलब जो मेरा एक class है on odd one out in PJ, उसमें I've explained odd one out का जो 8 bases है, कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या क्या याद रखना चाहिए. So आप उसको एक बार देखो definitely, and we'll take it up in the sessions as well. PYQ means previous year question. नहीं होता है यार, पीजे पे ऑप्शन नहीं होता, पर इट्स ओके. आपको वो टफ लग रहा है, सही, उसको छोड़ो मत, पर उस पे अब रिलाई मत करो, क्योंकि वी आर टू क्लोज टू द एग्जाम. सो स्ट्रेंथन योर पैरा समरी एंड ऑड वन आउट. हाँ, आई विल एक्सप्लेन गाइस. ये पीजे है. दिस इज अ पैरा जंबल. इट्स अ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन, ट्राई दिस आउट. नो काशीडो वाली, धीरे धीरे करो, टाइम लो एंड देन आंसर. ये कैट क्वेश्चन है. यस यस शुभम, कुछ साल पीजे के जगह पैरा कंप्लीशंस थे बहुत सारे. Dan Himanshu, I will. No, Ayan, you like recent years में it's been more of 4 sentences, but you also get 5 sentences. तो 4 और 5 के बीच में 6 बहुत rare है. मतलब very very like you, it's like a one in a, you know, sort of odds. Next, October से शुभम, like there's going to be 2022 batches from October. My 2022 batches from October. सितंबर को एक पूरा कैट 2021 का कंप्लीट रिवीजन बैच है. No Shruti, they are asking about the plus वाला. हाँ पल्लवी, प्लस में किया होगा हमने PYQ का. Okay, come on guys, let's start the poll. Come on guys. होगा मोहम्मद, why are you thinking ऐसे? होगा, आज से होगा, don't worry. Okay, but you have to, मतलब जितना प्रिपरेशन आप डालोगे उस पे है, जितना मॉक्स लोगे उस पे है. Come on, this visual turn in social media has merely accentuated this announcing instinct of ours, enabling us with easy to create, easy to share, easy to store, easy to consume platforms. So I'm just going to see guys, जब भी आप पहले एक बार para jumble पढ़ते हो ना, you just have to highlight the language clues. There is absolutely nothing new about us framing the vision of who we are or what we want, visually or otherwise, in our Facebook page, for example. This can be your opener. Turning the pages of most family albums, which belong to a period well before the digital dissemination of self-created, self-curated moments and images, would reconfirm the basic instinct of documenting our presence in a particular space or a significant occasion with others who matter. Guys, can I say this is the broadest statement? Not because it's the lengthiest, because it talks about digital dissemination, and then this gives the example of Facebook. So this in context, it's broad. We are empowered to book our faces and act as celebrities within the confinement of our respective friend list, communicate our activities, ये किसका एग्जाम्पल है? ये फेसबुक का एग्जाम्पल है, ये चीज फेसबुक पे होती है. यस. What is unprecedented, what has never happened before, is not the desire to put out news feeds related to self, but the ease with which this broadcast operation can now be executed. Okay, now guys, आपको ये दिखा होगा कि these four statements talk about that it's not something new. We've always done it. We've done it with our family albums. Now we do it on Facebook. We've always done it. हाँ है ना. ये ऑप्शन बोलता है कि व्हाट इज न्यू, व्हाट हैज नेवर बीन डन बिफोर. सो इस फिफ्थ ऑप्शन का प्लेसमेंट कहाँ आएगा? लॉजिकली टेल मी. 1 2 3 4 से कि ठीक है, we used to do it earlier in family albums, now we do it on Facebook pages, and it's not something new. It's just highlighted this announcing instinct of ours, but it's the same process. But what is unprecedented or what is something new? Okay, meaning of the fifth point is what is something which has never happened before. What is unprecedented is not the desire to put out news feeds. It's not the desire to announce yourself or to talk about your lives or put pictures about your lives, but the ease with which this broadcast operation can now be executed. Easy हो गया है, आप कहीं पे भी कैसे भी कर सकते हो. Often provoking unanticipated or anticipated responses from beyond one's immediate location. First, only people around you would comment, but now anybody across the world can comment. Got it, guys? Anyone beyond your immediate location, anyone can respond. No problem, Monica. Welcome to the session. So did you understand why 5 has to come at the end? Yes, did you understand why? And I'm very happy that all of you have placed 5 at the end. Okay, now guys, let's build the orders. Can I say that 3 is my, okay, so I've got the opener 3, I've got the ending statement 5. Hi, Robert. 3 or 5 humko mil chuka hai. Now, there is absolutely nothing new about us framing the vision of who we are, visually or otherwise, in our Facebook page, for example. Now, this point introduces Facebook, 1, social media, and 4, carries this idea forward. Because Mehek 2 talks about Facebook page, for example. This talks about the topic of digital dissemination. Digital dissemination plus. Also understand this point. There is nothing new about framing the vision of who we are or what we want to. Look at this. Self-created, self-curated moments, images, reconfirm the basic instinct of documenting our presence in a particular space. What is that space? For example, Facebook page. So 3 and 2 are connected. 5 is going to be at the end. Did all of you understand this? Acha, but Pallavi, that worked out for you. Okay, got it, guys? Till here? Got it? Now, tell me, will it be 1-4 or 4-1? अब कैसे करोगे आप? 1-4 करोगे, 4-1 करोगे, कैसे डिसाइड करोगे? क्या लिंक देखा आपने? Come on, come on, come on. You did it as 4-1 initially, okay. 3-2. 1 says, okay. 1, you say social media and Facebook is your example. No, Facebook page is the example of that particular space. Page to visual turn. Okay. Now, guys, I want you to look at this. This visual turn in social media has accentuated this announcing instinct of ours, enabled us with easy to create, easy to share, easy to store, easy to consume platforms, empowered us to book our faces. Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Can I say that this is the cause and these are the effects? This is the cause and these are the effects. So that is why it has to be 1-4. That is why it has to be 1-4. Accentuated means highlighted. So the visual turn in social media is accentuated the announcing instinct of ours. Accentuated मतलब हम लोग और बढ़ चढ़ के करते हैं. So we बढ़ चढ़ के करते हैं मतलब we act as celebrities, you know, and all of that. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? Hi, Ritvik. Cause and effect. Correct. Did all of you understand these points? Yes, but it's a tricky one. Okay. But guys, अब now 2.5 minutes में या 2 minutes में exams में कैसे करोगे आप? Okay, exam में कैसे करोगे इसे? Now, can I say कि ये एक dummy opener है? We've always discussed the concept of dummy openers. The main topic is not about family albums. The author is coming to the point. What is the point? Digital. So बाकी सारे points is talks about digital, digital, digital. ये एक dummy opener है family album से लेके digital का सफर. So that is why 3 is going to be the opener. Okay, and uske baad, now see this, digital dissemination, self-created, self-curated, etc. There is nothing new about this. Yes, there's nothing new about this. We've been doing it before. There's nothing new about it. Facebook page. Okay. But this Facebook page, this turned from album to social media, what has it done? It has done this, it has done this, it has done this. 1 and 4. ये सब पहले भी होता था, बस अब थोड़ा बढ़ चढ़ के होता है, बट जो पहले कभी नहीं होता था वो 5 है. Got it? Did all of you understand this point? Clear? Okay, come on, next one. Ruko, let's take something that we've not done. Okay, try this one, guys. Come on. PJ. So Ishan, I'll explain. See, all the other statements say that we used to do it before. There is nothing new in this. There is nothing new in this. Social media has only accentuated it. Matlab, it has only highlighted it, has only increased it. But it was there before also. It was a basic instinct of ours, which we were doing before as well. But what is unprecedented? Till now, we explained what was always done before, and we now do it on social media. But what is unprecedented or what was never done before was the kind of reactions we get, was the kind of ease with which people are doing this. So that 5 talks about the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4 talk about the similarities between what we used to do before and now as well. Got it? Are Anubhav? Okay, clear, Ishan? Yeah, correct. Hello, Akash. Hi, Robin. Hi, KVR. नहीं, 4 ही sentences है पल्लवी. Authoritarian matlab like a dictatorship. Bolster, strengthen. Everyone is gone with. Okay, guys, let's poll. Okay, now I will just remove ये वाला option because guys, however है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो ये आपको ignore करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now there are 5 options on your screen, guys. Come on, let's poll. Guys. शुभम, आपने बोला कुछ और, मार्क कुछ और किया. Good, Akriti. Okay, guys, the answer is 4213. Okay, come on, guys, let's understand this. But okay, more than the. Correct, Shubham. Is it Pallavi? Okay, okay, now listen to this, guys. Why have you gone wrong with the selection of your opener? Listen to this. In the era of smart world, however, universal basic income is an ineffective instrument which cannot address the potential breakdown of the social contract when large swaths or areas of the population would effectively be unemployed. Focus on, however, in the era of industrial revolution, the abolition of child labor, poor laws, growth of trade unions helped families cope with the pressure of mechanized work. Growing inequality could be matched by a creeping authoritarianism that is bolstered by technology that is increasingly able to peer into the deepest vestiges of our lives. It gets into like the deepest parts of our lives. New institutions emerge which recognize ways in which workers could contribute to and benefit by economic growth when rather than if their jobs are automated. What is the significance of the point, guys? When rather than if. If मतलब होगा या नहीं होगा सवाल ही नहीं है. होगा, but कब होगा वही सवाल है. Okay, so jobs तो automate होंगे ही. Okay, now guys, do you all understand the link between 2 and 1? In the era of industrial revolution, these things helped. However, in the era of smart world, yes. So do you understand the link between 2 and 1? Yes or no? Okay, now guys, 2 and 1 is a definite link. Now, I want you to look at this. When you say new institutions emerge, which are these new institutions which recognize ways in which workers could contribute to and benefit by economic growth? In the era of industrial revolution में ये वो चीजें थे जिससे someone could cope with mechanization. हाँ या ना? So can I say 4 is the idea that there are always going to be new ways, new institutions. When I say institution, does not mean like an organization wala institution. Can I say institution means like frameworks? Yes? So no, new institutions emerge which recognize ways in which workers could contribute to and benefit by economic growth when their jobs are automated. सो जब जॉब्स ऑटोमेटेड होते हैं तब हर टाइम, हर एरा में, हर एरा में या हर पीरियड में न्यू चीजें इमर्ज होती है, न्यू चीजें आते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन में हुआ था तब चाइल्ड लेबर, पुअर लॉज, ग्रोथ ऑफ ट्रेड यूनियंस, ये इंस्टीट्यूशंस है. They helped people cope with pressure of mechanized work. Did you understand my point? Every era has led to new institutions or new ways or new frameworks by which people cope with automation. Clear? Did you understand this point? So, industrial revolution mein ye tha the way of coping up with it. In the era of smart world, however, universal basic instrument, ye ek ineffective instrument hai. This is an ineffective way which cannot address the potential breakdown. Okay, large swaths of the population could effectively be unemployed. ठीक है guys, आपको ये नहीं, suppose ऐसे नहीं हो रहा था, ठीक है. Now, the minute you find it difficult to understand the meaning or the logic, always try categorization. Can I say this option is negative? I can say this option is negative, ineffective, breakdown, unemployment. Okay, this option is positive. This option is again negative. This option is again positive. Why have I now? Why you will tell me, why did you do positive, negative, positive, negative? I will tell you because of the word however. ठीक है, वरना हम कुछ और कैटेगराइजेशन देखते, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन देखते. अब एक however है तो एक ही बार कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन होगा, एक ही बार कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन होगा गाइस. तो we will put both the positives together and then we'll put both the negatives together, or we will put both the negatives together and then we will put both the positives together. यही दो ways है of doing it. These are the only two ways of doing it. Yes, but guys ये नेगेटिव वाले पॉइंट में तो however है, तो however तो ट्रांजिशन में ही आएगा. yes or no? however तो ट्रांजिशन में ही आएगा. तो दो पॉजिटिव्स पहले लगाना है और फिर दो नेगेटिव्स लगाना है. दो पॉजिटिव पहले लगाना है फिर दो नेगेटिव लगाना है. तो दो पॉजिटिव कौन से है? दो पॉजिटिव हमारे 4-2, फिर however आ गया और दो नेगेटिव. नाउ यू विल टेल मी मैम व्हाई नॉट 2-4? क्योंकि 2-1 का लिंक हमने समझ लिया था. इन द एरा ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन, however in the era of smart world. Simplest way of doing this if you have language का clue. Got it now guys? हाँ है ना, समझ में आया आपको? तो that is why I asked you, 2-1 का तो definite link है ना. However, this was positive, this was negative. Which other statement was positive? 4. Which other statement was negative? 3. Order 4-2-1-3. Clear with this everyone? So whenever there are language links, please focus on it. नहीं, पर फिर अगर 1 by 1 आएंगे, अनुभव सपोज आपने पॉजिटिव लगाया, फिर नेगेटिव लगाया, फिर पॉजिटिव लगाया, फिर नेगेटिव लगाया, या पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव लगाया, नेगेटिव लगाया, पॉजिटिव लगाया. यहाँ पे एक ट्रांजिशन वर्ड आ गया, यहाँ पर भी तो एक कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन वर्ड आना चाहिए ना. एक और कोई बट चाहिएगा या however चाहिएगा या although चाहिएगा या nevertheless चाहिएगा, कुछ तो चाहिएगा. तो यहाँ पर तो एक ही है, तो एक ही बार हो सकता है. Yes, Nil. Now, what is the link between 1 and 3 in terms of meaning? Okay, now there is going to be unemployment. In addition to unemployment, in addition to inequality, there's a lot of authoritarianism that is strengthened by technology. So this talks about the negative effects which we are facing in the era of smart world. Got it, Nil? So there is unemployment, and in addition to that, inequality and authoritarianism, and all of this is being bolstered or strengthened by technology. No, Neha, not first positive and always negative. Nahi, I can also start with negative. I can also start with 1-3, then put 4-2. But one में तो transition word आ गया, however. So I needed the transition word in the middle, na, for the transition. Did you understand? So that is why I could not start with negative. Clear? Okay. Hi, Monica. Next one. Next question, guys. Come on. These were one of the toughest BA section के questions which had come. ये वाला भी काफी tough था. 3124 क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि 2 and 1 का तो clear link है शिवम. In the era of industrial revolution, in the era of smart world, however. So 2 and 1 का तो clear link है. Okay. Hi RP, Mukesh. Come on, next one. 4213. पहले वाले. अच्छा wait, Abhishek, you're not going to answer इस question में. Come on, guys. Hi, Rishabh. Take your time, Akanksha. Hi, Yuvika. Haven't got enough options, Pallavi, yet. Okay, 3 options आए हैं. Hi, Vikas. Hello, Mohammed. Okay, let's poll, guys. There are 4 options on our screen. Good. Okay, let's sort that out. Okay, guys, so the answer to this question is 4132. Come on, let's understand this. Conceptualizations of women's time as contradictory to clock time and clock time as synonymous with economic rationalism are 2 of the deleterious results. Deleterious means something which is harmful, something which is inimical of this representation. ये हमारा opener नहीं हो सकता. And this representation. While dichotomies नहीं अभिषेक, डाइकोटमी मतलब two sides, differences. Men's time, women's time, clock time, and caring time can be analytically useful. This article, guys, now this article, many of you would have got, would have eliminated two as your opener, thinking this article cannot be your opener. But guys, this article opener हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे article का नाम नहीं दिया है. So the author talks about the article that you're reading. Okay, got it. This article argues that everyday caring practices incorporate a multiplicity of times and both men and women can engage in these multiple times. When the everyday practices of working soul fathers and working soul mothers are carefully examined to explore conceptualizations of gender time, it is found that caring time is often more focused on clock and there's a lot of, it's very abstract. Clock time has been consistently represented in feminist literature as a masculine artifact representative of a time is money perspective. Now guys, it's completely here and there. है ना, अब हमको ये पढ़ने के बाद students will wonder मेरे को ये slot क्यों आया, because it's so logical. Okay, now guys, let's understand how to figure this out. Hi Priya, hello Jay. Okay, now any links that you found? Any links that you found? Can I say one definite link is 4 and 1? ये language link को तो हम लोग छोड़ेंगे नहीं because of this representation. Correct? Okay, so I'm going to definitely focus on 4 and 1 together. So clock time has been consistently represented in feminist literature as a masculine artifact representative of a time is money perspective. Matlab time is money. This is like a masculine thing. Conceptualizations of women's time as contrary to clock time. And clock time is synonymous with economic rationalism are two of the deleterious results of this representation. तो वो लोग सोचते हैं कि clock time is only masculine and it is contrary to women's time. Okay, so 4 and 1 का definite link हो जाएगा. While dichotomies of men's time, women's time, clock time, and caring time can be analytically useful, this article argues that, 1 second guys, just 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Sorry. While dichotomies of men's time, women's time, clock time, caring time can be analytically useful, this article argues that everyday caring practices incorporate a multiplicity of times. मतलब ये सारे के सारे अलग-अलग है, इनमें differences है. But when you talk about everyday practices, they incorporate most multiple times. मतलब एक नहीं होता है. Clock time भी हो सकता है, men's time भी हो सकता है, caring time भी हो सकता है, women's time भी हो सकता है. Yes or no? Did all of you understand this? So can't I say that 2 is a definite conclusion? इसमें आपने दिया है clock time का difference क्या है? How is it only men's time? यहाँ पे दिया है women's time और clock time contradictory है. यहाँ पे दिया है कि clock time और caring time अलग है. यहाँ पे बोला है पर conclusion है कि we want everything. Done, Rinal. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand why 2 is the conclusion? Yes, multiplicity of time. Everyday practices don't just incorporate one time. It incorporates multiplicity of times. Okay, so Yash, see, 4 and 1 are definitely connected, right? Because of this representation. Now, यहाँ पे दिया है clock time, masculine time है clock time. यहाँ पे दिया है women's time और clock time दोनों contradictory है. यहाँ पे दिया है, यहाँ पे caring time introduce किया गया है. ठीक है, so how can you put 2 before you put 3? 3 में तो आपने caring time को introduce किया है. ये 3 और 2 clock time और caring time का difference बताता है. तो यहाँ पे 4, 1 and 3 में they are talking about the differences between clock time, men's time, women's time and all of that. 2 में बोला गया है कि you don't just use any one of these. In everyday life, we use multiplicity of times. मतलब clock time भी होता है, women's time भी होता है, men's time भी होता है और caring time भी होता है. Got it, guys? Now, clear? Hi, Jaydev. Clear with this? शुभम पोर्टल से प्रीवियस प्लस कोर्सेज से, और मैंने प्लस के ग्रुप पे पूरा स्टडी मटेरियल डाल रखा है वर्बल रीजनिंग का, वो एकदम बेसिक से लेके एडवांस तक है, तो आप उसको डेफिनेटली ट्राई करो। एसएम करके है स्टडी मटेरियल, पैरा बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, उससे प्रैक्टिस करो पहले। Okay, guys, are you up for an RC? One short RC passage? No RC. Very short, एकदम छोटा सा, नहीं 1.5। हाँ, पर मैं उस पीडीएफ से क्वेश्चंस वापस नहीं लूंगी, मतलब वो पीडीएफ सिर्फ आपके प्रैक्टिस के लिए, जो मैं क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए लाऊंगी वो अलग क्वेश्चंस होंगे, तो मेरा वो उस स्टडी मटेरियल आपके लिए, उससे मैं क्वेश्चंस नहीं उठाऊंगी। हाँ, प्लस ग्रुप पे रोहन। अच्छा, आरसी शाम को 5 बजे, ठीक है। फिर ये अच्छा, ओके गाइस, वन इंटरेस्टिंग एरिया विल ट्राई आउट, ठीक है, 1 मिनट रुको। Many of you have not been exposed to that area yet. अभी मैसेज में on Telegram I'll add you. Aditi, like October में starts. Okay guys, ये जो PDF है, it has like CR questions which come in omits. जैसे NMAT में आता है, SNAP में आता है, तो ये मेरा पहले का कोर्स है, पिछले बार का कराया हुआ। Okay, 1 मिनट. Let's try some exercises from these. Okay, now these are very different question types. I will take you through them in a step-by-step manner later. We will discuss मतलब इनको कैसे करना पड़ता है, क्या-क्या चीजें याद रखनी पड़ती है. But I just want you to see if you understand these questions. Okay, just see the first question and tell me what do you think. You have to tell me which of the assumptions are implicit. That is, only one is implicit, only two is implicit, neither one or two are implicit, both. Just say only one, only two, neither or both. क्यों अभिषेक, ये तो बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस है. Implicit word is used for assumptions, Pallavi. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'll get a chair. 1 minute. अभिषेक, ये शुभम को मत बोलना, वो आप पे ही निर्भर था. 1 minute. I'll just get a chair. Okay, guys, come on. I will explain. Okay, guys, now let's understand this question type. Okay. Please do not use the elevator while going downstairs. An instruction on the top floor of a 5-story building. Now, guys, what is the meaning of an assumption? Now, always look at what the person is trying to say. What is the person's mindset, or what is the person's thinking when he says this? Now, when I'm talking, my assumption is that all of you are listening. Hi, Anna. My assumption is that all of you are listening. Maybe you might have all switched off. Okay, maybe, but my assumption is that all of you are listening, right? For example, A, B, C, D, जब हम लोग पोल लगाते हैं, I tell you guys, ठीक है, A option ये है, B option ये है, C option ये है, D I don't have an option for it, जैसे कल हुआ था पोल में. Now my assumption is that nobody is going to click D because it does not have an option that backs it. But there are people like Shubham who end up clicking D. Reality अलग है. Reality is not what we are interested in. But when you do something, if I am giving an instruction, my intention is that all of you will follow. If I say, guys, don't answer in the chat box. Now, my assumption is that you will not answer in the chat box. But in reality, maybe everyone, and it happens, everyone answers in the chat box. I tell you guys, 6 advices 60 seconds se pehle para jumbles mat answer karna. My assumption is that all of you will listen to the advice. But in reality, some of you might finish it off in 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 45 seconds. Reality is different. That's not what we're concerned about. Assumption is when the person makes that statement, or when a person says this, when a child says ki today Santa Claus is coming to meet me, the child's assumption is Santa Claus exists. That's why he's saying Santa Claus is coming to meet me. Now, when you say, please do not use the elevator while going downstairs, an instruction on the top floor of a 5-story building, the people who want to go downstairs are using the elevator. Now, why do you say, please do not use the elevator? क्यों बोल रहे हो आप? क्योंकि फिलहाल people use कर रहे हैं. अगर नहीं कर रहे होते तो आप क्यों अपना effort waste करते? Right? Did all of you understand this? Because people are doing it already, that is why you're saying it ना. आपके माइंड में तो ये है कि अरे सब लोग कर रहे हैं इसलिए मैं एक बार उनको बोल दूं कि यार मत जाओ, मत यूज करो एक बार. The people who want to go downstairs will not use the elevator. अब आपने इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिया, अब आपके हिसाब से according to you people will not use ना. Future say will not use. Currently they are using, but after your instruction they will not use. This is your thinking. इन रियलिटी वो लोग आपके इंस्ट्रक्शन पे कोई ड्राइंग बनाकर निकल जाएंगे और एलिवेटर यूज करेंगे. दैट इज डिफरेंट. बट जब आप कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू दे विल नॉट यूज इन द फ्यूचर. सो गाइस बोथ आर करेक्ट, बोथ द assumptions follow. Did all of you understand this point? Hi Anushka, clear? So what you are thinking, ठीक है? So guys, for example, if I say, ठीक है अनुभव, if I say please do not make noise, okay, the teacher tells the children in the class, please do not make noise. ये क्यों बोल रही है ये please do not? Why? Just ask the question why. Why is she saying please do not make noise? Because right now children are making noise. Yes Abhi, can I say right now children are making noise? अभी currently children are making noise, इसलिए आप बोल रहे हैं please do not make noise. B, और अब आप बोल रहे हो please do not make noise. You're making a request, you're giving an order, request, whatever it is. Your intention, आप क्यों दे रहे हो? आप अपना breath क्यों waste कर रहे हो? आप अपना time क्यों waste कर रहे हो? क्योंकि आपके मुताबिक people will listen to you. So your intention is children will stop making noise. ये आप सोच रहे होगे इसीलिए आप बोल रहे हो कि children will stop making noise after the order comes out of your mouth. People will listen to you, the children will listen to you. हाँ या ना? ये दोनों follow करते हैं. Did all of you understand this point? So when you say please do not use the elevator, right now people are using the elevator, and once you've told them not to use it, people will not use the elevator. So both follow. Clear? Got it? हाँ अभी, tell me. You want to raise your hand feature? Go ahead, raise your hand and you can also talk. नहीं शुभम, पूरा कभी कभी neither भी होता है, कभी कभी either भी होता है, ऐसे भी होता है. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, hi Abhi.
Yeah. गुड आफ्टरनून मैम. मैम जहाँ तक मुझे पता है अजम्पशंस में मैम श्योरिटी किसी चीज़ का नहीं होता है, इजंट इट?
करेक्ट.
या तो जो भी हम लोग अज्यूम करते हैं वो बेसिस होता है, मतलब काइंड में या फिर लॉजिकल एक बेस होता है, उसी पे तो हम अज्यूम करते हैं. देन इफ यू सेड दैट, जैसे ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में द पीपल हु वांट टू गो डाउन स्टेयर विल नॉट यूज द एलिवेटर, ये हम कैसे पहले डायरेक्टली अज्यूम कर ले? पहला वाला तो समझ में आ रहा है कि वो डेफिनेटली वो इम्प्लिसिट है. Second वाला point I really didn't get.
Okay, and because of the word will ना, उस कारण ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि will क्यों यूज हुआ है. Okay, so see, when you say assumption में certainty नहीं होती है, that certainty नहीं होती है क्योंकि reality में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Reality में people do it, people don't do it, that's not certain. But when you are thinking it, आपके head में जब assumption है, वो आपके head में certain है, या वो आपके head में exist करता है. Now these assumption questions are different from the CAT questions. जो CAT में हम लोग assumption लेते हैं, तब we say okay, you know it's probably like हम guess work करते हैं या we fill in the blank and we say कि शायद ऐसे हो रहा होगा, तो हम लोग assume कर लेते हैं, we take it for granted. But when these questions are there ना, ये छोटे छोटे जो omits में आते हैं, इनमें जब आप assumptions use करते हो, तब what you're thinking is very
Hmm.
very because of the word instruction. Now if it's an instruction, you will think that people will not use the elevator. That's why you use the word instruction. कि एक
Okay, ma'am.
instruction. Got it? Now आपका
मैम देन
भी
सेकंड जो स्टेटमेंट है उस उसके अकॉर्डिंग तब तो दोनों इम्प्लिसिट कर सकते हैं हम. इट इज़
हाँ तो
पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू स्माइल वार्मली एट अननोन पीपल,
हाँ
क्योंकि वहाँ
तो
पे कह रहा है यू कैन विन ओवर न्यू पीपल बाय योर वार्म स्माइल.
हाँ देखो, you can win over new people by a warm smile. It
या
is necessary to win over new people. Now हम लोग क्या कैसे बोल सकते हैं it is necessary to win? He
मैम
says
तो
you
वहाँ
can.
यू कैन विन बोला है ना, तो अज्यूम कर सकते हैं ना हम तो फिर
हाँ
उस जगह पे.
नहीं, पर ये देखो अब मैं बोल रही हूँ ओके फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस से देयर आर टू पीपल, लेट्स से आप हो अभी एंड लेट्स
हम्म.
से प्रखार है. ओके, देयर आर टू पीपल. नाउ अभी wants to win over new people.
या
Prakhar doesn't want to win over new people. Abhi wants to win over new people. So I go and tell Abhi, you can win over new people by a warm smile. Now, does that mean it's necessary to win over new people? नहीं, ये तो मेरा advice और
ओके.
suggestion है.
यस
So,
मैम, गॉट इट गॉट इट.
so this is for someone who wants to do it. You can do it this way.
ओके,
But
देन
like for
सेकंड ओनली
example,
इम्प्लिसिट है.
so if I say for example, let's say you can win a game. Okay, for example, you can play hockey with this stick. Can I say it's necessary to play hockey?
नो,
No.
आई कैन ना, वो मेरे ऊपर है.
हाँ वो भी आपके
एग्जैक्टली.
ऊपर, आपको आप चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हो.
कर सकते हो या.
Because of the words that you use, that you decide which assumption follows or doesn't.
ओके
Now
मैम.
it is possible for us to smile warmly at unknown people. Yes, that's a possibility. क्योंकि warm smile है, new people है, तो unknown people भी है, warm smile भी है, and can मतलब possibility. So I can go with only two.
ओके मैम, क्लियर.
Okay, okay,
या,
got it?
थैंक यू मैम. या.
Yeah, great. Okay. Yes, Siddhant. It is said that we need to stick to the statement but can go on to our assumptions. I didn't get you, Siddhant. You need to stick to the statement और उस statement के basis पर ही आपको अपने assumptions decide करने. Hi, Vinal. हाँ, our assumptions पे आप नहीं जा सकते हो. तो no, our assumption मतलब I'm not saying our assumption. I'm saying the person who's written this instruction उसके thought process से सोचो. So the instructor feels that it's always from the perspective of the speaker that you decide an assumption. Nice feature, na? Correct. No, that is inference, Vishal. Probably true and necessarily true wala is inference. Definitely true, probably false. That is inference, not here. Yeah, yes, Ayan. It's only for plus. That's an incentive for you to take plus. Okay. Alright, great, guys. Thanks, Pallavi. Come on, guys. Third question, try out karo. Arey, so sweet, Abhi. Thank you so much. Thank you. पेंशनर जो पेंशन पे सर्वाइव करता है. Only two follows. Correct, Mehak. 2 months ago, it was announced that central government pensioners would get dearness relief with immediate effect. But till date, dearness relief has not been credited in the pension accounts of the pensioners. Most of the banks, guys, यहाँ पे bank word mention नहीं है, तो we cannot assume this because it's not supported by the statement. हाँ या ना? Yes. So answer option 1 goes out. 2 months time. So 2 months ago. Now you have to think from the pensioner forum वाले का perspective. 2 months ago बोला था. But अभी तक नहीं. but till date it has not happened. So why is the author saying but till date it has not happened? Because according to him अभी तक हो जाना चाहिए था, क्योंकि अभी तक sufficient time था. So answer option is going to be 2. Okay, so when I say you guys, I give you 1 week to complete your homework, but till now you have not done it. That means according to me 1 week is sufficient time. Got it, everyone? Did all of you understand this? Okay, very good. Next one. Come on, guys. I didn't get you, Shivam. Question EXP मतलब क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करूं. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि 2 महीने पहले आपने बोला था कि पेंशनर्स को रिलीफ मिलेगा. 2 months ago you had said that pensioners will get relief, dearness relief, but till now that dearness relief has not been credited to the accounts. That means it should have been credited because 2 months were sufficient time for the credit, but till now it's not been credited. Got it? Okay, come on. Next one. Yes, Ritam. These are all assumption questions. फोर्थ वाला यश. फोर्थ बोल रहे हो आप, सेकंड बोल रहे हो. Hi Kundan. Okay, let's poll, guys. Only A, only B, neither, both. Okay, that's your A, B, C, D. Only 1, only 2, none, or neither, and both. Okay, I'll wait for 10 seconds. Okay, let's poll. Hi Kishan. Vinal, Abhi, Yash, Shivam. 4 people. I'll explain Shivam. Okay, listen to it. The bridge was built at a cost of 128 crores and even civil bus services are not utilizing it. What a pity to see it grossly underutilized. Now guys, इस guy का point ये है कि अगर आपने इतना रुपया खर्च किया है और बनाया है तो उसको यूज करो. His basic point is use it. Utilization is his main point. Such bridges do not serve any public objective. If such bridges do not serve any public objective, then why is he asking to use it? If I say use it, why aren't you using it? According to me, it is useful, na? Only then I'm saying it, use it, use it, use it. So how can you say it does not serve any public objective? It's actually contradicting what you want to say. Got it? If I say, guys, please refer to this video, you're not referring to this video, you have these resources with you, फिर भी आप नहीं कर रहे हो, so that means that resource does not serve any objective is wrong. You are not using it, but the resource is very useful. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand why one goes out? Correct. There has to be some accountability and utility of money spent. Guys, the focus is not on money. Money is spent. He does not say, अरे वो 128 crores कहाँ लगे उसका हिसाब दो. That's not the question that he's raising also. He's not saying how did it take 128 crores to build this bridge. His main focus is not on money. His focus is on utilization of the resource. So he's not talking about accountability of money. Nobody is questioning the accountability ki kahan rupiye lage, account do. Got it? The word accountability and money is incorrect. Projects, it's too broad. The assumption should be that the bridge is useful. If utilized, it could serve objectives. Then ये भी हो सकता है कि public, if money has been spent and it's not being used, people want to see those things being used. कुछ तो utility of the bridge के around ही आपका assumption होगा. Hi Garima, you have to check whether these words are justified or not. Clear? Did you understand this? Okay, let's try the next two questions together. Use our product to improve the memory power of your child. Hi Garima. It is based on natural herbs and has no side effects. People opt for a medical product which is useful and has no side effects. Parents like to improve the memory of their children. Let's poll. तो गाइज अगर आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट में कोई फीचर बोलते हो तो आपके मुताबिक उस फीचर का डिमांड है, हाँ या ना? तो आपने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है जिसमें नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स है, साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है. Yes or no? So that is, you've mentioned these because you feel people want it. Got it, guys? Clear with this, everyone? Yes? Yes or no? Clear? Okay. So guys, we'll stop here for this special class. Okay, I'll meet you at 5 p.m. on YouTube. Fourth का second option because it talks about accountability of money. कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है कि money कहाँ कहाँ कैसे कैसे spend हुआ. That accountability is not questioned. Okay, great guys. Leaderboard. Last question भी करते. Okay. Photography is prohibited in some of the sensitive areas. The people living in sensitive areas are not allowed to have a camera. Acha, we'll poll. I'll increase the timer. Quickly try karo. Hi Devanshu. Guys, people living in sensitive areas are not allowed to have a camera. You can have a camera. Why can't you have a camera? क्या आप सिर्फ उस sensitive area में जाके फोटो खींचोगे? कैमरा रखो, जब कहीं और बाहर जाओ तो खींच लेना फोटो. तो कैमरा पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. If people try to survey such areas, how is this given in the question? Security people के पास छोड़ना है, पॉकेट में रख सकते हैं, लॉकर में रख सकते हैं. कौन पूछ रहा है आपको ये सब? Person is found carrying a camera. Guys, कैमरा रखो, बस उससे फोटो मत खींचो. So answer is none is implicit. Not this type, not specifically this type rhythm. वो जो हमने RCs और CR में किए वैसे टाइप के आते हैं. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand? So none is implicit. Okay. Right, guys. So I want all of you. That में आते हैं. है ना? Correct, Pallavi. Guys, I want all of you to join the link. I want all of you to take the plus subscription, guys. Use the code RITUMBA while doing so. Okay, live classes, weekly tests, structured courses, unlimited access. These are the price points. Without fail, guys, apply the code RITUMBA. Anybody who wants to take subscription, आपके friends, family members, कोई भी course का, चाहे वो CA भी हो, कोई भी course का हो, ask them to use RITUMBA. Yes, आज YouTube है. नहीं, Neha. These come only in other management entrance exams. Done abhi. So guys, use the code Ritu MBA. 12 month subscription पे 3 months free है, 24 months पे भी 3 months free है. These are the upcoming batches. My RC batch is ongoing. So those who are already plus subscribers, join me Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 बजे. Okay, and guys, make sure that all of you give the combat also. Kal combat hai guys. I want all of you to give the combat examination to win scholarship. Thank you, Abhi. I love to have you in the session as well. So guys, use the code Ritu MBA. Combat दो, ranks जीतो और subscription लो और जल्दी से plus पे आ जाओ. Don't forget to apply the code Ritu MBA. One-on-one mentoring for iconic subscription. Graduates from top B schools who guide you, mentor you, teach you, help you with concepts, strategies, सब कुछ. So use the code Ritu MBA. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you all at 5 p.m. Do not forget the code Ritu MBA. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.